Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you want to give your sports or action poster an EPC professional and cinematic look, you are in the right place. Today I am sharing the full editable Photoshop template feature, the cinematic dust and powder explosion effect. This the pre-made template is designed to turn any ordinary photo into a high energy masterpiece in just a few clicks. This is the uh, before and after, and the best part, everything is 100% customable. Every single layer, from the dust particle to the fog effect, is completely separate and editable. I have also take care of the photography, the text setup, and font are already perfect, aligned and balanced. Starting poster layout, all you need to do is replace the placeholder with your own photo, editable the text, match and all layer. So let's jump into Photoshop, and I will show you easily. You can use this template to create beginner poster in less than a minute. See? Okay, now go my download file. There is help file. You can download the font for poster. We recommend, we already use this font. You can visit this link and download, install your PC. And this is the how to use the simple written way. Two template include, all are editable. Double click the PSD file. It's open your Photoshop. Just wait and see. So this is the marks place. Don't worry, you just replace your photo, replace here, double click this option, and now there is the guide option, and this is the photography for placement. Now you can open your photography. So this time I have opened this photography, my sample photography, and need to transparent selection, and select subject button, click, then it's auto select your select subject. Photography is focus auto select. Just wait and see, and create a marks, and just marks and move it. You can move it my placement, photo placement option, and you can replace it and hide our hide me, then use hide the sample. And this is the photography, and you can transform it. If you want to transform it, you can transform it. This is the head position we have show, and middle position. Okay, now I have save button, click. Now I save my main template and check out the template. See, is show transform of a. Now the effect is show, our template is show, your photography is replaced now there. So check out my resolution 300 dpi and 500 pixel, the size, height and width 400 pixel. So this is high resolution template and HD quality. Now I show you how to customize it. This is HD quality. See, the all material are HD now, 100% look, and the great combination, and 100% copyright free. This is our own making. All materials made by copyright free. With me, I will make all making. So there is the option. So if you this is the photography show now. See, and firstly the headline. If you want the headline, you can use the headline. See the text, and also we have used the warp and little 3D shade option. So you can edit their template in this option. See, you can edit the text, anything. You can football, like type anything. See, auto replace is auto replace. Just click. Okay, now headline is okay, and this is the top and bottom all text. See, so text are editable, you can check out and change tag yourself. See, you can type just here, and also you can use your text style, your own text style. This is just demo. This is just demo. And light effect we have combined, and check out the light option. See, lens option. So you can move every lens, everything. See, uncheck this one and uncheck the this one and the another one and another one. See, so totally control of you, and also the color combination, but this time we have used our default color, the white color. Now I have show you the color combination. See, the color combination, very easily you can make the color. Uncheck this one and uncheck this one. See the color. And if you want to the dual color combination, you can use the dual color combination, and you can lace the color combination. If you want opacity, if needed, you can lace the opacity and another color combination, and same way you can lace the combination. Okay, and this is the back shade, white shade. But if you think the position in the top place, you can use this top place, or setting the text. Just this purpose we have used this shade now. Okay, I just hide now. See, another one, the black shade and top shade is different. Also you can change the color. Double click this option. Everything we try to editable layer, so we can make editable. See the dark color, and now great looking. Okay, just okay. And this is the adjustment color, another, and the color changing option, another color changing option. See, so you just pick this and color changer, double click this option, and you can change the color. See, another one, another one, and another one, and another one. See, you can also lace opacity for neatly looking purpose. So now I show you another template. Double click this dust and powder explosion to full editable. See, this is the site profile on and I have opened this one for site template, site photography. You can use any type of angle photography, because our all decoration it is separate. Now I show you the decoration how to change. So top position, and double click this option, photo replace, and move it photo replacement page, and hide the position, hide the sample, and the save option. Now our template is saved. See, is great looking. Now I show you the everything, the fog and the separate layer. See, everything is separate. So this is on kind of looking. And the lens, if you use the text, then you can use the lens, and the top side text. See, okay. So I think this time I do not need the text and the light effect. This is another fog style, and check out the fog, whole layer are separate. See, the position, just editable layer. You can custom yourself, fully freedom. We have include the another highlight for fog, and check out the fog position. See, all layer are separate. It's not the merge layer option. See, Control T, and also you can move it, position, and the area. If you think any of area, we just replace on area and combination on. See, okay, and the dual color combination, another. See, the color combination, select, and the brush, soft brush, any soft brush, then you can remove any area, the fog smartly. See, it's done. Thanks for watch this video. Still, if you need any kind of help, you can send a message, my profile, my Facebook fan page, my WhatsApp number for reply first. You can visit my shop, my stock marketplace, visit this site. So visit my profile, MRI Studio Creative Market. There is our all file is available, download, and discount is now available. Visit our Creative Fabrica shop, MRI Studio. There is also available discount price. And visit the our Adobe Stock profile for resource download. All type of graphical resource we have upload in the Adobe Stock, and you can download there. And visit our QC product, Graphics River. Check by Graphics River team member. See, you can visit this profile, and the free pick profile also. There is the all resource we have published, so you can download there. So visit and check out my video description for this product. Download link include my video description and all profile link. Thanks for watching this video.